Johny, hey! Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, my G? Fucking congratulations, bro.
Sure, bro.
Good shit.
What up, G?
Long time. How's it going?
What's up, bro?
Alright, fuck, yo, G, I feel like a boss, bro. Updated interior. The new interior, guys. Guys, this is the first time we're officially in the Tesla. Bro, look at this roof, guys. You can see the sky, it's so beautiful. Bro, legit. Like, bro, it's so clear. Wow, what the fuck? The roof goes all the way back, G. Is that us going for a drive? Yeah, is that us? It's officially first experience with the lads in a Tesla. Shout out to Heng Sing. That screen is so cool. Oh, no, sorry. Okay, never mind. Don't want to do that to Tesla. Ruthless G.
That feeling was crazy.
Ruthless.
Yeah, it's fast as fuck.
Yeah, the boys in Tesla. Let's go, bro.
Where's the lifting?
Yeah! The car's so smooth, bro. Bro, that car's smooth as fuck. That was actually, gee, that was actually smooth. Like the bro, just a little, slightly little, you know, touch, and the car went.
I'm gonna die.
Hold up, bro.
Careful, guys. He just got the car out.
Gee, the best part is the self-driving, eh?
Yo, self-driving.
Yeah, hands-free.
Hands-free.
Hit the vape.
Hit the vape. Hit the vape. Yeah. That's how done it's done, guys. Okay, when I will pull, we'll do our reactions. Oh my god, G! This Tesla is fucking fast, G! That car pulled, bro!
Bro, it's still so quick in that full
car, bro. That's something else, man.
This was fast, bro.
Yo, G, first experience, 2021, driving a Model 3?
Model 3, yeah.
Model 3, 2021. It automatically brakes, eh?
Yeah.
Buzzy.
That's the regeneration brake.
Yeah.
So like when you let go of the accelerator, it puts energy back into the battery.
Right. That was legit like only like 5%.
It's responsive, eh?
Yeah, it's real responsive.
If you're traveling long distances and stuff, it's perfect, bro.
I remember like doing a flat up here, eh? Like got a $900 fine, bro. Yeah, G, I came here, did a U-turn, I did first, second, and then I hit third at the peak. And then there was a speed camera. It caught me at 104.
What a place for a camera to be.
Yeah, bro.
Fucking rip that shit. It feels weird, eh? Like it just
goes,
noise,
yeah.
There's no sound.
Wow. One experience, that's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Any seizures?
I didn't jam it on, like, I jammed it on Friday. But yeah, if you guys are keen, I'll pack one.
Keen?
Yeah.
Yo, I'll be keen.
Yo, that's us, bro.